What's up, family? Welcome back to another exciting episode of Yes Chef. I'm your host, Big Chef Dro, and today we're going to get into this conch salad. Now, I'm going to do mine a little bit different than what you're probably used to, but I'm going to add a ton of flavor, and I'm going to add some things in there that you probably never thought even went into a conch salad. But we're going to get it done. So, sit back, relax, family. Let's get into this conch salad. The springtime is here. It's time to get tropical. Come on, let's cook. All right, so let's go ahead and get into this conch salad. So let me show you the ingredients. So here I have one whole yellow onion, and that was a pretty nice, significant size yellow onion. Here I have two of the big mangoes. I have one tomato, just a regular tomato, and then I have chopped up some orange, red, yellow, and green bell peppers. Okay, now I'm gonna put a little something in there, a little jalapeno. Now I've never seen anyone put a jalapeno in there, but I'm gonna put it in there just to add a little bit of heat to it. I think it'll mix well with the mango. So we got some limes, we got some oranges, and of course, the star of the show is the conch. Now, I'm going to, because it's pretty thick, I'm gonna go ahead and cut it, just kind of half in this little piece up here. And I got two knives because this one doesn't really roll that well. So I'm just gonna use it to score some of the meat. But I'll open it up. If it's too thick, open it up so I can have some sizes that I'm working with as I score. All right, so what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna take my knife, I'm just gonna cut into it just a little bit, just to score it. Turn it around. All right, so with this, I'll go ahead and cut it after I scored it. And now this is, it's a real rubbery piece of meat. It's not that tender, but if you get some good conch, you don't have to worry about it. The majority of the frozen ones are really not that easy to cook. Now, normally people will take something like this and cut it up, just chop it up in there like that, and you can do it however you want, as long as you get you some nice even cuts on it. Now, I'm just gonna throw this out. This is really hard. It's like a piece of the inner shell is on there. So I'll throw that out, but I'm gonna go ahead and just cut up the rest of these, the rest of the conch, and then we'll come back and I'll show you the finished product and we'll move to the next step, all right? All right, folks, we got the conch all stirred, all chopped up. Go ahead and push this to the side. We're gonna get this jalapeno in here, and don't forget to wash your hands after you're dealing with this jalapeno. Now, I am going to take this membrane out because I don't want it hot. Just a little kick. That's all. That's all I want is a little kick. want anything too big in here either. So you want to kind of chop them up kind of fine. It's okay if a couple of seeds fall off in there. That's totally fine. Let me get my chef knife. All right. Throw that on off over there as well with everything else. Now we can go ahead and introduce the other peppers as well. Let's get the onion off in here. Let's get this mango. Now, this is going to be a tropical conch salad. Tropical because I'm putting mango in it. And if you don't want to put mango in it, that's fine. We'll put these tomatoes off in there. Kind of just mix everything up here as it goes all over the place. Now, let's go ahead, add some of the citrus to it. Got 2 oranges here that I'm going to use. Go ahead and cut these up. As with the lime as well. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this all in this bowl, and then I'm going to mix it all up in the bowl. All right, so off in the bowl we go. We'll get everything off of this board. All right, so let's get some of this. Let's get this citrus off in here. This is not a juicy orange at all. So let me get another orange. Hold on. There we go. This is a better orange. I like that flavor of orange. I put it in my ceviche, which, by the way, I think I'm going to do ceviche next. Right after this one, I think I'm going to do ceviche. I think that's going to be the next video after the conch salad. I'm going to show you how to do ceviche the right way. Give you some tricks on that. All right, here goes the lime. And if you don't want to do it this way, obviously you can use a one of those handheld juicers to extract the juice out of it if you don't want to do it like this. And of course, they call this the gravy in the Caribbeans. They call it gravy. So the amount of gravy you want, I guess, would depend on you. So, you know, you can put as much lime and orange as you want. And also remember, this acid is going to give a cooked nature to your conch salad as well. All right. Now, all of this stuff that is on here is good stuff. So I'll take all of this off, put it in there as well. Let me wash my hands up real quick. So let's get some salt added into this. Oh, it's not in. I'm gonna use some sea salt. I'm gonna use a little sea salt for this. Mix that up. All right, let me go ahead and get a little taste. Folks, that's it right there. Put a little bit more salt in there. All right, folks, so what we have here is a delicious, very colorful, very flavorful, very tropical conch salad. So, folks, let me go ahead and get me a nice big bite of this, man. Let's get me a nice big bite, big bite, big bite. Man, it don't stop. The flavor keeps building and building. Well, folks, that's all I got for you today. That's something real quick. Starting to get a little hot outside, at least for us down here in Florida. We're blessed like that down here. So if this is something you want to do, folks, showed you how to do it. Very easy. Nothing hard about it. Season it how you like, flavor it how you like, and be done with it. So, thank you for watching once again, folks. I appreciate you. I love you. Don't forget to hit the like button. And please, if you like the content, hit the subscribe button. We want to keep you up to date on everything that's going on this channel. So, until the very next time, folks, until the very next video, Jay, what we always say. Thank you so much for watching this video. And don't forget, hit the like button. And if you want to be a part of Yes Chef family, consider hitting the subscribe button. And don't forget, click the notification bell. And that way you'll stay up to date on all of our latest videos. Also consider becoming a member of my Patreon for up close and behind the scene content. And be sure to follow us on all of our social media platforms. Thank you.